Hi, I'm John with Motorcycle.com, and 5 things you need to know about the new KTM RC390. Number 1 thing you need to know, it's got a new bigger front disc brake. It's only got one, but it's a 320 millimeter disc instead of a 300 now. Stops a little harder. Also up front, it's got a little bit less trail, which means it steers a little bit quicker and faster than it did before, which is really quick and fast. It's a fast little quick steering thing. 3, we've got a side mount exhaust instead of the under engine exhaust that we used to have, which they don't claim more horsepower, but it made a few more when we put it on our dyno the other day, so that's a good thing. 4, we've got wider mirrors and adjustable clutch and front brake levers, which lets you customize the bike to yourself a little bit better. 5, a new slipper clutch, which aids your smooth downshifting action and makes the bike that much to ride. To read more about the KTM and a few others that we're testing it against here today, go to Motorcycle.com.